Harmony One, a crypto coin that's born and bred on one of the fastest decentralized apps on the planet. Besides that, Harmony platform uses less energy. It is one good way to power NFTs, yet you can perform many transactions on it with very low gas fees. However, since its invention in 2018, nothing much has come out of it. Harmony One coin is still very much less than $1, and it has so much competition out there. But lately, something is rewriting that narrative. Find out what that is on today's episode as we tap into the 2023 price prediction for Harmony One. But before we get started, hit the like button and subscribe so that you'll keep updated about any new videos we put out. Now, let's start from the point of inception. How did Harmony begin its legacy in the crypto world? Well, before we get to that, let's talk about Ethereum a little, as it's related. Ethereum is one of the most widely used blockchains in the world. This is because it allows many apps and projects to be created with little to no effort. So, every day, many people find different uses for Ethereum. However, because of this notable increase in traffic, certain challenges limit what you can do with the Ethereum platform. In fact, to even perform transactions on Ethereum, the gas fees you would have to pay can break your bank. Worse still, you could only perform 15 transactions in 1 second when things are at their fastest. But as activity increased, the transactions on Ethereum were getting slower and slower by the day. In fact, it is so slow that an average transaction would cost you 15 minutes at least. Then came 2017, when a veteran engineer named Stephen Tsay developed a Layer 2 protocol named Harmony. According to the background story, Stephen had help from other co-founders like Nick White, Rongjian Lan, and Sahil Dewan. So, from what our team of world-class sleuths dug up, we realized that all these men once worked for top tech companies like Amazon, Google, Apple, and even Meta. Together they came up with an Ethereum-hosted platform called Harmony. With Harmony, they hope to increase the speed and lower the gas fee of transactions on the Ethereum platform. To do that, the Harmony team came up with the idea of open community nodes and shards. Today, these communities of public nodes and shards are what we call the Pangaea. As said earlier, this Pangaea is managed by members of the public from over 100 countries. Each member acts as a validator. And, as a validator, your job is to make sure that each transaction has its correct details. To do this, you will have to maintain a full copy of shard transactions at all times. As we speak, the Harmony platform has a foundation of 1,000 nodes and 4 shards. Over 640 of these nodes are managed by members of the Harmony community. The others are still within the care of the original Harmony Foundation. So you can assume that Harmony has a very large validator base. Because of this large number of validators, the Harmony team could increase the speed of transactions. In fact, compared to Ethereum, Harmony can handle almost 2,000 transactions per second. The gas fee for each transaction is about 1,000 lower than that of Ethereum. And because of it, many people prefer to validate transactions via the Harmony platform. So, when it officially launched on Binance in 2019, it netted about $23 million. Today, that amount is scaled up to $1.5 billion and is still counting. But wait a minute. If validation is left in the hands of the public, how then does Harmony ensure security? Well, that's where the technical aspect comes in. And for that, we might have to use 1 or 2 blockchain terms, so bear with us. But we promise, we will make things as simple as possible. The thing is, on normal blockchains like Bitcoin, validators verify transactions using the proof of work system. To do that, they use the real-time energy of their computer system to validate each transaction block. Of course, this consumes a lot of energy. As an alternative, Ethereum came up with the proof of stake system. To act as a validator, you wouldn't need to use up your computing energy. Instead, you need to stake your own money before you can gain the right to validate. However, In such conditions, it would be easier for one multi-billionaire or backdoor organization to siphon off all the validation rights. If that should happen, decentralization, which is the basic principle of all blockchains, would be defeated. For that reason, the proof-of-stake system built within Ethereum often affects how many transactions you can perform with Ethereum. Now, this problem is what Harmony seeks to solve by building a fairer and smarter system that keeps greedy validators in line. According to the Harmony team, this system is called the effective proof-of-stake. So, what it does is that it divides the validation labor among different networks called shards. Each shard comprises many nodes and validators that work together to verify the transactions at a faster rate. But, every once in a while, the Harmony system rotates the validators randomly per shard. That means today, you may be a validator of shard alpha. The next time, you might have been transferred to shard theta. That way, validators won't get comfortable enough on one shard to think of sabotaging or overtaking the network. Aside from that, the Harmony system has some sort of rewarding system. This reward system often finds validators that stake above the permitted limit, whereas it often rewards those who obey the rules. That way, you, as a mere user on the Harmony network, won't have to worry about security and decentralization, because, as of today, the Harmony platform maintains them well. It is for this reason that many people are trading with the Harmony token called One, as in for one, for all. But then, how does the Harmony One token find its usage and value? Earlier, we noted that validators on the Harmony system will have to stake their own money before they can gain a verification license. That money isn't physical money. Instead, real money is converted into a token called One. With One, holders and validators stake on the Harmony platform. In return, they get paid with new tokens and with a part of the gas fee. Not only that, they also get to partake in the company's decision-making. So, the Harmony One is just like real shares. But, unlike real shares, there can only be 12.6 billion One tokens in the world. And as we speak, about 8.6 billion One is already in circulation. For now, you can use the Harmony One token to pay for gas fees and storage fees, and do virtually any other thing on Harmony. For that reason, many experts call this token the Harmony Utility Token. You see, when One was first launched and listed in 2019, it was worth only $0.024. Only very few trades were done with it, and its market capitalization was just $18 million. But today, things are quite different because the solution that the Harmony team came up with is a very useful and efficient one. Yet, every day, they keep coming up with more features and promises that keep on raising the value of Harmony One. So, what's the Harmony One trend saying today? As of now, Harmony One is still worth less than $1. According to Binance, it is currently and precisely valued at $0.1219. But compared to its initial price in 2019, the Harmony One token has increased by a whopping 4,672%, and still counting. Now, there's a logical explanation for this increase. In 2021 alone, 3 revolutionary changes happened to Harmony One, and the first one popped up in February 2021. Back then, the gas fee of Ethereum spiked so high that many dealers found it difficult to make transactions. In their bid to find solutions, dealers and developers stumbled upon Harmony, which had existed long before then. Somehow, the Harmony team could launch an integrated marketplace that linked Ethereum and Harmony. This change allowed many developers to use their Ethereum applications on Harmony, and like that, the Harmony One found more usage and more value. Although the market value of Harmony One kept dangling from time to time, but then came May 2021, when Harmony partnered up with a decentralized stablecoin company called Oin Finance. Together, both teams launched a stablecoin platform called OinDAO. Once again, that good news increased the value of One so much that it jumped from $0.202 recorded in March 2022 to $0.379 in October 2021. To date, that was still the highest value ever recorded for the one token. But somehow the launch of Oindao got delayed, and of course, this affected the price trend of Harmony 1, and it dropped a few points in the following months until December. That month, the Harmony team integrated the price feeds from Chainlink. In case you didn't know about Chainlink, we've already made a video about it, so you can simply check through our channel and learn all you can about it. That said, integrating Harmony with Chainlink woke up the bullish trend of one, and for the rest of 2021 until January 2022, Harmony 1 was valued at $0.377. However, Harmony 1 has a lot of competitors. The most notable ones are Solana, Ethereum, and Cardano. According to many experts, it is and will be very hard for Harmony to overthrow these three giants. Although, according to the current ranking by CoinMarketCap, Harmony 1 is the 65th largest crypto network in the world. But then again, Harmony 1 has a lot of new features in stock, and because of that, it might just have a promising future ahead of it. But while waiting for that future to come, how much will Harmony 1 probably be worth in 2023? Well, as of the moment, the future looks bright for Harmony 1, and that's not complete speculation, because in late 2021, the Harmony team launched one special cross-chain bridge. According to the team, that bridge is meant to foster the trade of non-fungible tokens, aka NFTs, on the Harmony platform. However, it's been 1 year already and not much has been heard of the Harmony NFT plan. But then, 2023 could be the year when Harmony's NFT plan comes through. If that happens, the Harmony platform may be the next go-to stopover for new artists looking to tap into the NFT ecosystem. In fact, they may even mint their own NFTs at a lower cost compared to that of Ethereum. If that dream comes through, then the Harmony 1 token would find more use. The more the use of the one token in transactions, the higher its value. Now, based on that and some other technical factors, coin prediction websites like CoinQuora predict that one could be worth about $2 by 2023. Whereas, other sites like Digital Coin and Wallet Investor argue that one would still be worth less than $1 by 2023. Maybe it could rise up to $0.21, but that's how high it may go in 2023. But then, we agree that if the NFT plan comes through, $1 won't be an imaginary price for one in 2023. Now, by then, if you own 1,001 that you've bought at today's price, you'll gain a whopping $780. But you know you need to do your own research, right? Well, with that said, let's call it a day. But before you go, don't forget to drop your views about Harmony 1 in the comments section. Till our next video, stay happy.